This is a brief video of our 2007 Mazak Nexus 200 Series 2 MSY. I'll start off with some turret indexes. And we'll do some rapids here. There's the W. Got to home that to run everything else. Here's your Z, your X, here's your Y, and let's run the spindles. Okay, that's running at 1,000. I'm going to crank it up here. There's 6,000 RPM on the sub. And let's go to the main. That's at 500 RPM right now. And we're going to run that up. There's 5,000 RPM. And that's the machine. And here's the accessories.
That's at 1560.
All right.